Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And currently I've got two languages here, but that's okay. Let's start with adding new one. So let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So let me pick maybe Greek, just tap on it. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do is to basically reorder the languages. So let's tap on the Greek in my case, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me do it again, tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list, which is kind of a list with highlighted languages which are commonly used by you. So simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.